It's good. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So currently we're in the streets of Addis and I want to try this the Ethiopian burger. It's called the Wow burger. So we're here, so let's wait and yeah,
so let's see what we have. So we have some special burgers, double burgers, cheeseburgers, beef. For me, you can choose what you want here.
beef is okay.
Beef.
How many?
So here we have beef patty, sliced cheese, sliced beef.
Yeah.
But minus the eggs. Sometimes they keep eggs. Minus the eggs or what?
No, it's okay the way it is.
The way it is.
I have no problem.
So for him, let me get the mini special burger. That's for him. Yeah. Let me get what do we have? The chicken wrap. Yeah.
Chicken wrap, yeah.
Then let me get a Coca-Cola.
Coke and Habesha.
No, they don't sell beer.
They say Coca-Cola too. Yeah.
So pretty much that.
So guys, I still have my friend here, Isaiah, and he's here. He's been showing me around this city for some time now, and he brought me here so that you can try this the Ethiopian burger. So let's wait for it and dig into it. So yeah, this is Ethiopian Coca-Cola. So the burger is already here. It has these chips, it has eggs, cheese. Let me just open it. Eggs, cheese, some meat inside. Wow.
It's good. It's good, yeah.
Tastes awesome. So yeah.
Looks good. So you have to taste it to see if it tastes good.
Now guys, we've actually decided to move from the other side because there's too much sun. So we've come here. So he's still waiting for his burger. Mine is already here. Mine has got chips, like I was saying, some cheese, eggs, and what's the name of this thing? It's meat, right?
Yeah, it's beef meat, but it's a special burger. Most burgers in Ethiopia, surprisingly, they keep eggs. I don't know why.
Yeah.
So if you want to do away with the eggs, just keep the eggs outside.
No, I'll actually eat the eggs. Let me.
The tomato sauce also, yeah?
Tomato sauce. Yeah, cheap. It's finished? Yeah.
How?
So let's dig. How should we actually wait for you? Let me try this sauce.
You go ahead. Mine is stamina.
This thing is very spicy.
Yeah.
But it's good. Yesterday I actually took shawarma. It was very, very spicy.
Spicy, yeah. Most of the food you can get like here, if you're not used to spice, it's a big issue also. So it's something also that you're seeing.
I hadn't taken breakfast, so let's just dig right into it and see what's up. How much is this?
I think this is 160 baht, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, 160 bills.
So roughly around 350 Kenyan shillings.
It's very, very
$3
delicious.
more or less.
$3, right? Very delicious. So let's dig in and see what's it's made of. Yes. I've realized junk food here in Addis is very good.
Yeah, the junk food is
very
good.
good. Try and take some sauce too.
Especially if you're coming from Kenya and you see an egg in your burger, you'd be so shocked.
No lie. This place it's called
Wowzers Burger.
Wowzers Burger.
Or Wow Burger.
Some fries too. Another thing I really needed to say about Addis, I hadn't said in my previous videos that I've done here in Addis. This city, it's so kind of unique. It's not like Nairobi. People stay in the middle of the city. It's also a residential place. Like in the middle of the city, you'll see clothes hanging around, and you'll like, it's kind of crazy because in Nairobi, we don't have places like that. And when you get people staying in Nairobi, mostly they're just hotels in the middle of Nairobi. But it's a very nice city, awesome views. So yeah. The reason I also like junk food is because you get unashiba haraka.
Exactly. And it's cheap.
And it's cheaper.
Like I think you saw the Italian restaurant. It's not junk food, but it's much more expensive.
Yeah.
You end up spending almost like 1,000 birr on a meal.
Yeah.
Compared to here, let's say for both of us, we'll not spend more than 400 birr collectively.
Yeah, that's like 800 Kenya shillings. I've actually ate the injera like 3 times, and I was like, no, I'm not doing that again. It's so sour. I was just, every time I eat it, it's just like
leaves a taste,
a very bad, not like a bad taste. It's just the fact that I'm not used to, that kind of taste in my mouth. So
compare, unlike chapati, for example, which is much more sweet. And also, by the way, they have chapati here, but like chapati is kind of the Indian chapati.
Yeah.
So it's so different.
Here, people even eat raw meat.
Yeah.
I saw someone eating raw meat in our house, and I was like, yo.
So like we had the other guys who were in the hostel at that time, the 2 Americans. They're ordering and they never know. Basically, you never know when or what you're ordering, for example. So like you order something and then it comes and then it's raw meat, but they've kept so many spices and whatever, and you can't even really know it's raw meat until after eating it.
That's what you've been told. The Wow Burgers comes with sauce. Apparently we've got the tomato sauce, it's over. Bad luck to us. So you guys are in here?
Yeah, so thank you. So here are some chicken wraps. So basically, we have some chicken inside.
Oh, that's chicken.
Yeah, it's chicken. And then we have some veggies there. We have the sauce. I think this is mayonnaise, chili.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Yeah, some fries.
Yeah, very nice. Oh God. We're used to eating with our hands.
Yeah.
Even here, people just use their hands to eat. Yeah. It's called the Wow Burgers. Is it the first time you're actually eating that, or you actually used to eat?
I've eaten it before. I've been here for a couple of times.
Oh, cool. Apparently, I couldn't find this place alone. If I would be like, I'm coming to this place, I wouldn't have like found it. So,
But you've seen the road, it comes, you cross the way back, the way we came.
yeah.
That's the way.
Yeah, the other side here, like this. Just look how beautiful it looks. Shikati.
I'll just break it like this. Wait, like that.
Yeah.
Walk,
It has every single thing inside.
chicken.
Just chicken. Let's dig in and see how. I'm sorry if you can hear. Oh, you can get a lot of wind. It's because where we are, there's a lot of busy things going on. So yeah, let's dig in. It has some onions, some tomatoes, chicken. Beautiful. Let's see. It's very good.
It's the chicken also.
Yeah. Now I get to understand what you're saying. When we came here, you just eat junk.
Yeah. It's cheaper. If you're not used to the local food,
Some chicken.
basically the crust is like burritos and tacos, the Mexican tacos.
The Mexican tacos.
Yeah.
Can be an apple. You can eat just a small,
How are you, sir?
just
Yeah,
a
I'm
small
okay.
portion.
I don't see long time.
Yeah, I travel a bit.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm back. Yeah, I brought also some of my friends here to test the food.
Okay,
Yeah.
then, so how would you like it?
It's very good.
Very nice.
Awesome.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
So,
Thank you.
it's okay?
Yeah, the food is good. Okay. Now the meat one is better than this.
Oh.
So this is chicken and not the meat.
I'm full, but I still got this to dig in. Wow. This is my second break. You wanna try the burgers too?
No,
Are you good?
I've already had enough of burgers in Ethiopia.
Got the eggs. Let's eat this. I'm eating a burger like a Kenyan. Apparently, guys, I can't finish the whole of this thing. I can't finish the whole of this, so it was good. Out of 10, I'll actually rate it like I'll give it 8.59. It's some good meal. If you're hungry and you wanna try some junk food and you need this, come and actually try the wow burger. It's actually in the middle of the street, so yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video.
List ya unasikia list. Hata kama ni junk.
Now I understand. Na napata point yako sasa.